up? I got another package, let's unbox it. This is the WUBEN G5. Apparently, it's not a flashlight. This is the WUBEN ECL. Almost lost this little tiny ring. You also get a wrist strap and a little tiny USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Dang, this thing is tiny. Look at that. This is the WUBEN G5. Wow. This thing is tiny, as you can see here, but it outputs 400 lumens. That's pretty bright for something this tiny. Let's take a little look around this thing, shall we? We got the logo on the front. You got the little head unit with 2 LEDs, it looks like. A little scrolly dial. I believe it's for the brightness. It also clicks in. You got a switch. I guess this is locked. And this is, I don't know, charging? Oh! I just blinded myself. Oh! Let me turn on my light really quick. But this is locked. This is on. And this is charging, which exposes the USB-C port. That's pretty cool. So this turns it on, and you do adjust the brightness with the scrolly wheel. That is bright. Sorry, Mittens. And then I believe you double click it for turbo. But that's not all. Apparently it has a magnetic bottom, which will allow you to stick it to like under your hood if you're fixing something. And the adjustable head rotates 180 degrees, which gives you very great flexibility onto lighting whatever you want to light. It does get hot after some use, but the lowest brightness setting, I feel like this is bright enough so that you can see things in complete darkness, but won't disturb your surroundings too much. You have a carry clip on the side, which actually does rotate, I think. Do you push it? Oh, okay. Whoa. So you pull it and then rotate, which will allow you to clip it onto something like your hat, so you can have like a headlamp sort of setup. If not, it can just be on the side out of the way. Okay, I was playing around with it and I just figured this out. Let's see if it remembers the mode you were in last. It does. So if you press and hold it, it switches in between the LEDs. So this one is on the main one right now, which is just your standard flashlight, the one that'll give you 400 lumens. But if you press and hold the button, it switches to the other LED, which is RGB, which is kind of crazy because I feel like this could work as a sort of light setup, like super thin portable light setup for traveling if you want something in the background to give you some color. Look at that, that's the tiny little flashlight right there. It's not that bright of a light when it's on the RGB mode, but you could definitely make it work in like a hotel room or something. Again, it's RGB, so you can change it to different colors. This thing is also IP68 waterproof, impact resistant, and pressure proof in extreme conditions. I don't really EDC flashlights anymore because I don't really need them, but I think I would carry this with me just because of how small it is, how light it is, and how functional it is. It would act as a great emergency flashlight, but also a very good EDC flashlight as well. I'm not sure what you would do with the RGB lighting, but the features there and it being the main flashlight is there as well. I definitely think if you do wear hats often, this little clip swivel feature is really cool and would be really helpful if you need a headlamp, but don't really want to carry an extra thing like a dedicated headlamp. So I could be wearing something like this, and then I could just clip it on. Bear with me here. Clip it onto my hat like so, and then just turn it on. And you have a headlamp that you can use either straight on or angle it down towards you to see what you're doing at night. And this like little head that allows you to rotate 180 degrees is super helpful. That's pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. It says it's 52 grams, the compact size of a pocket lighter, which it does look like it's the size of a Zippo. And it says you get a runtime of 25 hours. I believe that's with the output at 400 lumens. But this is a tough little EDC flashlight, just basing it off of the specs. Okay, so the signal RGB, so the RGB light can be used for signaling. It says it's switchable for signal or ambience with more possibilities to explore. I'm not sure what that last part meant, but I guess you could clip it to the back of your backpack and just have it like this. Oh, there's a flashing mode. Can you change the color of the flashing mode? You cannot, but this is good at night if you want to be seen. That's pretty much it for this video. I know it was a mess, but I hope you got the gist of what this thing can do. I really hope you enjoyed. Link in the description if you're interested. WUBEN G5, first impressions, highly recommended. I will have to test it out a little bit more. If you want a more long-term review, let me know. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for listening. I'll see you tomorrow.